Hi there. Choosing the right project management tool is critical for tech startups. Today, we're comparing Linear, Asana, and Jira to help you decide what fits your team best. Let's break it down. First up, Linear. Built for speed and simplicity, Linear's sleek interface is a favorite for small to mid-sized tech startups. It's designed for software teams, offering streamlined issue tracking, sprint management, and real-time collaboration. With integration like Slack and GitHub, it's developer-friendly but lacks advanced features for complex workflows. Next, Asana. Asana shines for its user-friendly design and versatility. It supports multiple project views like Kanban, lists, and timelines, making it ideal for startups managing diverse tasks. Think marketing, product, and dev in one place. Its automation and 270 plus integration make scaling easy, but it's less tailored for deep technical workflows. The go-to for agile software development, Jira excels in issue tracking, sprint planning, and customizable workflows. Its robust reporting and 3,000 plus integrations suit larger teams or complex projects. However, its steep learning curve and technical focus can overwhelm non-dev teams. So how do they stack up? Linear's simplicity is perfect for small, dev-focused startups. Asana's flexibility suits cross-functional teams juggling multiple project types. Jira's power is best for larger teams and those deep in agile dev. For most tech startups, Asana often wins for its balance of ease and scalability. But if you're all in on software development, Linear or Jira might edge out. Try their free plans to see what fits your startup. Which tools do you use? Drop it in the comments, like and subscribe for more videos.